Hi guys, welcome to Silver Lake Honey channel. I'm very excited today. I got finally in the mail my package. It is double deep brood frames. It's for my golden hybrid beehive that I'm gonna be putting together. I told you back in November that I will be dedicating 5 of my hives, and eventually I'm gonna go up to 50. It's gonna be this idea of golden hybrid beehive with regular deep frames and 2 Lazutin or double deep frames in the middle. So these frames are really quality made of oak from William Bill Erpel and from all wood. I'm gonna put his contact information. If you're interested in these frames, I'm gonna put him in the comment box. Okay guys, so I got my double deep frames and I started building my 5 boxes that I'm gonna go throughout the year and let you know how that idea works. So the idea behind golden hybrid beehive is to have 3 different elements into one beehive. So it's gonna have Lazutin frames in the middle. These are double deep 18-inch frames, long frames, and it's gonna have regular Langstrop box and frames. So bottom board is gonna be solid bottom board and Langstrop 2 double deep boxes with 8 frames. So you're gonna have a Langstrop box with 8 frames, 4 on each side and 2 long double deep frames in the middle. And as far as third element, it's gonna be a skep beehive, like enclosed system with 1 entrance without upper hole, and it's going to be completely sealed. So the third element is going to be a skep system with microclimate closed system without draft on the upper box. So the idea for this hybrid beehive is the 2 double deep frames in the middle of the box are gonna act and have the brood during the winter time, and bees are gonna create thicker honey domes above their clusters and prevent isolation, starvation when part or of all cluster move on one side or another. They're going to be concentrated into these, like around these 2 frames, because sometimes especially in February, when in cold climates, late February, when the brood starts, a lot of beehives die because if they're left in the bottom box and queen starts laying, even if this upper box is full of honey, they will die. They will not leave their brood. If it get colder and they cluster, they will not leave and go up. So the space between the top of the bottom box frames and bottom of the top box frames, it's called the dead space, and sometimes bees die because of that. So that's one of the ideas why I'm doing this hybrid golden beehive. Okay, I'm gonna put together a couple of these frames, and also they're gonna be like regular deep frames. They have the holes on the side, and I'm gonna put the natural wax foundation in all of them. So these 5 hives are going to have natural foundation using wax from my own beehives, and I have a wax press that I'm gonna make my sheets and use. All these beehives are gonna have wire foundation and then natural wax on them. So these are really hardwood frames made out of oak, and they're really hardy. I mean, they'll last forever. I ordered from Bill before, and I'm gonna leave you his contact information. If you're interested in these frames, you can check out his website in the description. Basically, I use glue. So I put wood glue and then staples. I use 2.5 or 2.25 inch staples, and I put 2, and also I put 1 on the side. So you can't, because these frames can be really heavy when they're full of honey and bees. They can get really heavy. So this staple is really important on the side. Okay, so 2 of these frames in the middle, and then 8 frames, 4 on each side, and they're all going to be natural wax. So throughout the year, I'm going to show you the process, how bees fill these 2 middle frames with honey, how the honey dough develops throughout the season, the treatment, how much honey they're gonna make, and all that's gonna be on my playlist for double deep golden hybrid beehive. Also, I'm gonna have another playlist for beginner beekeepers. I already made 2 videos about what to expect before you become beekeeper, and assembling equipment. So the next stage is going to be the essential tools and hive placements, and we're going to introduce a nuke in one beehive and package in another, and compare the 2. And also throughout the season, we're going to show beginner beekeepers everything they need to know about inspection, finding the queen, reading the frame, splitting the bees, honey harvest, treatment, everything that you need to know for the whole year. So to get updates, how's this gonna go, and on my other playlists, and throughout the year, you're gonna see the updates about these hives, and also beginner beekeepers hives and my regular production hives. Also, we're gonna make videos about queen production, nukes, and a lot of other topics. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy beekeeping.